Hey guys, I am Kenta, a health and fitness trainer and nutritionist. I am beyond excited to be working with Team GNC and to bring you my favorite pro tips when it comes to health, fitness, and nutrition. I can't wait to inspire, educate, and motivate you to take your wellness journey to the next level. Today we're going to be talking about protein. Protein is such an important part of your diet, especially if you're working out. You want to be making sure you're getting enough protein for your goals. Our bodies are literally made of protein. Every bodily function we have, your immune system, your muscles, your breathing, all of it functions because of protein. So it's really important that you're getting the right amount in there, regardless of what your goal is. If you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to maintain, and even if you're trying to gain a ton of muscle. One of the first foods most people think about when they hear protein is eggs. Eggs seem to be having a moment right now on social media.
Yeah, I will crack the egg.
Oh, that's hard.
And understandably, because eggs are a great source of protein. But you know what's a great alternative to eggs is actually oats. Today we're gonna be making my favorite protein-packed breakfast oats. Let's do this. These protein-packed breakfast oats are simple, delicious, and packed full of protein. Eggs definitely have a lot of protein in them, but they also have a lot of saturated fat and cholesterol. Today's recipe is going to be giving you a ton of protein, but also a lot of fiber and so many other nutrients. We only need 5 ingredients for today's recipe. Our first one is almond milk. Let's have 1 cup of that, or some other type of milk or milk alternative, followed by 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Oats, we're going to be using half a cup of those. Then we have 2 tablespoons of black chia seeds, and finally our GNC AMP Whey-Bolic protein. Our GNC AMP Whey-Bolic protein offers you 40 grams of protein, 15 grams of branched-chain amino acids, 6.2 grams of leucine, 500 milligrams of velocitol, and 400 milligrams of an enzyme blend per 2-scoop serving. All of these things together can help your body function at its best. I really like using the creamy peanut butter flavor for this particular recipe. Make sure you also have some type of container. I'll be using a mason jar today. You can also use a shaker cup if you like, totally up to you. Let's get right into it. We're gonna start this off with 1 cup of your almond milk or milk alternative, and we're gonna pour that all the way in. Next, we're gonna follow it up with our half scoop of GNC AMP Whey-Bolic protein. Next, we're gonna go ahead and shake that up just a little bit, and we're gonna start with the lightest ingredients first. So the chia seeds go in. Next, we have your oats. We're gonna put the oats in over that. Gets a little messy, no problem. Food's more fun when it's messy, right? And let's finish it up with our 2 tablespoons of almond butter. All right, we're gonna finish it off by putting the lid on your container. And the fun part, let's shake it up. And all right, guys, there you have it. That is our protein-packed breakfast oats. Make sure you refrigerate this overnight so that you can enjoy it in the morning. It's a great, easy, simple way to get your breakfast in and make sure it's packed full of all kinds of amazing nutrients, especially that protein. There you have it, guys. That is our protein-packed breakfast oats. I hope you enjoy them. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in next time so that you can learn new ways to live well.